we've all done this, okay, that I need you just to give up on. And if you want, go into your leadership, okay? My mobile 720-660-3202. I won't even charge you. I'll jump on the call with you and them, and I'll be the, what do they call it in court? I'll be a mediator for you. You just need to stop it with the sandbagging. It is crap. It is the worst thing that ever happened to you. And I'm giving you permission to go into your CEO, your VP's, your boss's office and go, listen, hey, I just want to let you know I want to fess up on something here. I'm having some bad thoughts, right? I'm at 242% for the quarter for Q2. I was thinking I should probably hold some stuff over into Q3 because I want to make sure I hit my Q3 bonus. But I don't think I think that's kind of malpractice for the company. Okay. Now, if you're with a company that's like, hey, don't close those deals, right? Because we want to make sure we have even numbers coming in, might be a good idea to look for another job. I'm going to repeat that because it's really important. If your company is telling you not to close stuff because they want to hold it off because, oh, that would be a lot of stress on our implementation team or this or that, that's probably not the team you want to be on long term. Okay. Those are good problems to figure it out. We don't have enough implementation. Good. We'll figure it out, right? We'll call some clients, figure out which one can delay. We'll maybe give them a month of support for allowing us to delay a couple weeks, whatever it is, right? But tomorrow is not promised. Do not sandbag. Nothing good comes from that. Close the deals that are in front of you. And again, if for nothing else, it's because that person in front of you does not deserve to be slow-boated or sandbagged or pushed away or delayed simply because you want to make your Q3 bonus. I will be there with you every step of the way in Q3. We will find another deal. We will get your bonus. And probably if you have that heart-to-heart with your management, they'll be like, hey, we'll figure out something. Get the deal. Thank you for bringing that up with us. Sandbagging avails nothing.